Neither Arro card nor OpenSky has a consistent advantage in how quickly payments appear on your credit report, because both depend on the reporting schedules of the credit bureaus, not just the card issuer. By the end of this video, you'll know how credit reporting actually works, why updates sometimes take longer than expected, and which card makes more sense if your goal is building credit. The short answer is that you shouldn't choose between these cards based only on reporting speed. Even if one issuer submits account information before the other, the credit bureaus still need time to process and display the update on your credit report. Many people expect their credit score to change a day or two after making a payment, but that's rarely how the system works. Credit card issuers typically report account information on a recurring schedule, and the credit bureaus update your file after receiving and processing that information. Because those steps happen separately, the exact timing can vary. Arro Card is designed to help users build credit while providing spending insights through its mobile app. OpenSky is well known as a secured credit card that allows many people to establish or rebuild credit without relying on a traditional credit check during the application process. Even though the cards serve similar purposes, your results depend much more on your account activity than on which card reports first. Paying on time, keeping your balance manageable, and avoiding missed payments have a much greater impact on your long-term credit history than a small difference in reporting speed. If you're checking your credit report every few days after making a payment, don't be surprised if nothing changes immediately. Credit reporting follows a cycle, and updates may not appear as soon as the payment clears your bank account. The smartest approach is to use your card consistently, pay at least the required amount by the due date, and monitor your credit report periodically instead of expecting instant updates. Building credit is usually the result of steady habits over time, rather than one payment appearing quickly. So which card reports faster to the credit bureaus? Based on publicly available information, there isn't a reliable winner. Both Arro Card and OpenSky report account activity, but the timing of visible updates depends on reporting cycles and credit bureau processing, rather than one card consistently being faster. The key points are simple. Neither card has a proven reporting speed advantage. Credit bureau processing affects when updates appear, and making on-time payments consistently matters far more than a small difference in reporting timing. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward credit building comparisons.